I'm not sure if I'm strong enough, my wings can stand to fly out that I'm a mess. Before we leave and start to soar, I'd like to say one thing. How can I start to be the best? He said, son, come here, I'd like to tell you everything you'd like to know, but it's not so. Try and learn this by yourself, don't listen to what people say, they'll break you down again. So I said, oh, 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 tell me something I don't know. I will fly away and spread the word. So take your second chances, take the music with your wind. The mistakes you make will only write the songs that you will sing. It may seem hard at times, baby, please have faith. And a mother always knows what's best to make you spread your wings. And I said, oh, 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 tell me something I don't know. I will fly away and spread the word. Just listen here and shed no tears, cause everything is tough. And it may seem hard and strength and love, it wouldn't be this rough. So get back on your horse and ride until you see a catchy note and melody, and he will set you free. And I said, oh, 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 tell me something I don't know. I will fly away and spread the word. Just let me sit back down and let me take a breath, cause I've been flying all night long. But I have found the answer to finally clean this mess, and I want all of you to sing along. And it goes, oh, 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 tell me something I don't know. I will fly away and spread the word. It goes, oh, oh, oh,